The spray gun of the spray machine is critical to ensuring the VORAMER foam adhesives are applied properly. Jamming of the assembly is a common issue with the spray guns, preventing adhesive from being applied. To avoid gun jams, clean residual buildup on the tip of the spray gun. A drill bit that is the same size as the nozzle can be used to manually remove the buildup. Or you can change the tip of the spray gun. The use of an air purge spray gun will automatically blow material out of the mixing chamber, but residuals will need to be removed over time. Some machines are air-driven or hydraulic-driven. For air-driven spray guns, check to see if the plant air compressors can support the proper pressure rating for the spray gun, which is between 60 and 100 psi. Drops in air pressure can affect the spray pressure coming out of the gun. For hydraulic-driven spray guns, the air pressure can affect the product pumps and their performance. While it may not be air-driven, air is still used to purge the mixing chamber. The lower air pressure can still reduce the purge air's effectiveness, resulting in quicker residual buildup and increased likelihood for a jam. A reminder on safe handling and proper PPE. Be sure to avoid contact with unreacted chemicals, and avoid allowing the polyol and especially the isocyanate to come into contact with your skin or your eyes. Should this happen, refer to the MSDS for proper first aid and hygiene instructions. The person applying the VORAMER adhesives should wear safety goggles and a full face shield. Persons working near where the product is being applied should wear safety glasses with side shields. Wear gloves when handling the unreacted chemicals or when applying the mixed materials. Nitrile or polybutadiene gloves are recommended as they provide resistance to the isocyanate and are also tear resistant. Wear proper protective clothing over the arms and any exposed skin that may come into contact with the materials. Paper suits are acceptable protection as long as they are discarded after being stained with unreacted chemical. Apply the materials in a well-ventilated area. If the possibility of respiratory exposure exists, wear a half-mask respirator with NIOSH-approved cartridges for organic chemicals. If ventilation is poor in the area where the material is being applied, a full-face positive pressure respirator is required.